from Facebook says, if I caulk the right opening, if I caulk the rough opening before I install the sheathing, do I still need to tape?
So I think that
before the sheathing.
I think that what Dale is getting at is with this installation.
If you wanted, he's talking about a bead of caulk on the framing here and putting the sheathing embedded into it?
Yes, exactly. So he's correctly identified that, or what he hasn't really said is, what if I want to enhance the performance of this, but I don't want to spend all the money on buying, on wrapping my rough opening on all the way, because this can add up. So how can I improve the performance of this without going, is there a step in between this and this? And that's exactly a great step. If you seal this interface, you're essentially making your air control layer, your base of the sheathing, to the sealant joint that you won't really be able to see, to the framing itself.
Gotcha.
And that's a great idea, Dale. Lots of people do that and they get excellent results out of it.
With the caulk going between here and here, I'm just going to do this again so the campers can see it. With the caulk going between here and here, the air control layer now comes all the way through here.
Exactly.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.